Today, Chapter 8 Mahatma Gandhi and National Movement. Today, our topic Impact or Significance of the Non Cooperation Movement. First, some introduction. We have already discussed about non cooperation movement, its causes, objective, methods, and program of the movement, and suspension or withdrawal of the movement. Now, today we will discuss about the impact of the non-cooperation movement in the freedom of India. First, some objectives. Inspiring the people with the new confidence. The Indian National Congress became a mass organization. Hindu-Muslim unity. The notion that the British rule was for the good of the Indians was shattered, forcing the government to bring changes in its policies. It promoted many social reforms. The cult of Swaraj became more pronounced, instilled confidence among the people. Now, before starting the topic, we will discuss few keywords. Endure. It means to suffer something painful without complaining. Next, inflicted. It means to force somebody to have something unpleasant. Number 3, agitation. It means act of stirring things up, or we can say not peaceful. Number 4, amalgamation. It means combination. Number 5, exhilaration. It means entertainment. Next, perplexed. It means confused. Next, instilled. It means to make somebody think. The last word, reckon. It means to think. Students, open your books. Impact or significance of the non-cooperation movement. Impact means effect. Significance means importance. The Khilafat and the non-cooperation movements had their own importance in the history of the freedom movement of India. They marked a new stage in the Indian national movement. So students, it was the first time that all Indians got united in Khilafat and non-cooperation movement. The movement triggered a sense of unity in them, and a new stage where everyone demanded freedom was set up. The following arguments support this view. Number 1, inspiring the people with new confidence. The people showed such a remarkable degree of willingness, means readiness, and ability to endure. Endure means suffer all the hardships and punishment inflicted. Inflicted means imposed by the government, that they became courageous, fearless, and strong enough to face any difficulty for the freedom of their country. So students, these movements infused a great deal of confidence in people. It was first time they showed remarkable degree of willingness and ability to endure all the hardships and punishment, means type of torture. They became ready to face all hardships, whether physical or mental problems, and punishments which were inflicted or imposed by the Britishers. The brute force of British power no longer frightened them. They gained tremendous, means enough, self-confidence which no force could shake. The brute force, brute means violent, by which Britishers ruled on common people did not terrify them any longer. A great confidence came into common Indians that was not easy to break. Number 2, the Indian National Congress became a mass organization. Mass means large, bigger. With the launching of the non-cooperation movement, the national movement was changed to a mass movement, and the Indian National Congress became a mass organization. As the movement started, this movement converted into big movement, and the National Congress became a revolutionary organization. Its aims and objects now closely resembled. Resembled means to look like somebody. Those of agitational. Agitational means state of worry. Nationalism means patriotism, though its methods were non-violent and open rather than violent and secret. Aims and objectives of the National Congress look like a disturbing patriotism, but the method used by it was not secret and violent. Number 3 point, Hindu-Muslim unity. The amalgamation means combination of the Khilafat movement and the non-cooperation movement led to such Hindu-Muslim unity as was not witnessed. Witness means seen before. The amalgamation means combination of these two movements, Khilafat and non-cooperation movement, led the Hindu-Muslim unity back as not seen before. The urban Muslims were brought into the nationalist movement and they had been to an extent means large, responsible for the feeling of enthusiasm means interest and exhilaration means excitement in the country in those days. The Muslims also supported wholeheartedly the non-cooperation movement against the English, and the Hindu-Muslim unity brought excitement and happiness in the country. Point number 4. The notion means an idea and the British rule was for the good of the Indians was shattered. Shattered means upset. The movement shattered the myth that British rule was for the betterment of the Indians. No doubt the moderate nationalists had attacked the goodness of the British rule in India by exposing means reveal their economic exploitation. Exploitation means treat people unfairly of the country. The moderate nationalists who were active political leaders exposed the goodness of the British government who exploit the Indians. But it was during this mass phase of the national movement that the notion of the British rule was for the betterment of the Indian people was shattered. But only because of the big stage of the movement, the myth of the British rule was shattered about the betterment of the Indians. Forcing the government to bring changes in its policies. Every action has its own reaction. To say that such a great movement as that of the non-cooperation movement did not bring any change in the policy and attitude of the government is wrong. The British rule in India was shaken to its very foundation by this movement. Due to these movements, a pressure increased on the British government to change its policy. The non-cooperation movement shaken. Shaken means tremble. The British rule, it brought changes in the policies and attitude of the British government. Even Viceroy Lord Chelmsford was Viceroy of India between 1916 and 21, had to admit that he was perplexed. Perplexed means confused by this movement, and for a time he was not in position to think as to what to do. Even the Viceroy Lord Chelmsford also confused and he was not able to think any more. In a letter to the Secretary of State for India, he had clearly disclosed that the Indian government had to face a difficult situation because of great velocity of the non-cooperation movement. It was generally feared that its result could be quite dangerous and far-reaching. Lord Chelmsford wrote a letter to the Secretary of State for India that the Indian government had to face difficult situation because of this great movement and they were also afraid of its results. Point 6. It promoted many social reforms. Promoted means encourage. As a result of the non-cooperation movement, many national schools and colleges were founded in different parts of the country. The boycott of the foreign goods led to the promotion of Indian industries and crafts. Khadi became the symbol of the national movement. Moreover, several steps were taken in the direction of prohibition and removal of untouchability. All these social activities were an added asset. Asset means something of value. The non-cooperation movement. We have already discussed in our previous topic that many activities were carried out during this movement. During this movement, many social reforms had been done, like national schools and universities were set up. The people began to use Swadeshi goods, and this led to the encouragement of Indian industries and handicrafts. Khadi became a symbol of freedom, and many steps were taken to remove the untouchability. Untouchability means the practice of discriminating people based on their caste and jobs done by them. All these activities played an important role in the non-cooperation movement. Seventh point. The cult of Swaraj became more pronounced. Cult means popularization or a wave. Pronounced means officially or noticeable. Swaraj or self-rule was one of the aims of the non-cooperation movement. When the British government was openly exposed as an engine of foreign imperialism. Imperialism means control over other countries. The only alternative means option, left was self-rule, whether within or outside the British Empire. The non-cooperation movement further popularized the Swaraj cult. Swaraj means self-rule or self-governance. Gandhiji used it Indian independence from foreign domination. The only option was left was self-rule to break the chain of slavery in India. The non-cooperation movement again popularized the Swaraj wave. Point 8. Instilled confidence among the people. Instilled means infuse. A new sense of self-confidence and self-esteem was born to openly defy means refuse, the foreign rulers and the British government. It generated a desire means wish, for freedom and inspired people to challenge means dare, the colonial rule. So the students, these movements infused a great deal of confidence in people. It was first time when people openly refused the orders of the British government. Now people wished for the freedom and also dared to oppose the colonial rule. The Congress became a revolutionary movement. The movement transformed the Indian National Congress into an organization for action. It became the organizer and leader of the masses in their national struggle. Thus, Congress became a force to reckon. Reckon means figure or think with. This movement converted Indian National Congress into a revolutionary organization. It became the leader of the people of India in the freedom struggle. Now the Congress became a big figure to work. Thank you.